Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a folder to which you can move your scanned documents on the ScanGuru application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on this folder and plus icon at the top of the screen and type in the name of your folder that you want to create. After that, tap on the save button, and here you can see that the folder has been added to your home page. If you tap on it, you are going to see that you can add items to it by either scanning or taking pictures from your gallery or import documents. If you tap on it, you will be able to insert any of your PDF files from your files section. So if you tap on it, you will be able to add it to your folder. If you tap on a scan document that you have scanned in by the app of this application and click on the export button, you can export it as a PDF file to your folder as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.